Hello guys, my name is Nick and today I'm going to show you how to disable pop-ups in Arc Browser. So now I'm on a blank page in Arc Browser and let's now click on the Arc Browser icon in the top left corner of the screen. Okay, now in the drop-down menu let's select Settings, click on it. Now you need to pay attention to the Profile section. Here you need to select your profile, which is related to the space you're using. So I need to select default profile, just click on it. And now at the bottom left corner, let's select privacy and settings right here. So on this page at the bottom, let's select site settings, click on it, and now scroll down to the bottom again and select pop-ups and redirects. And right up here, we can activate or deactivate pop-ups and use redirects. So if you want to turn off this function, just select this item, or if you want to activate it, select this one. Well guys, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to me and like this video. Thank you very much, bye.